how it's supposed to feel.
Welcome to the 9th video of Team Bahay Garage. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. This is a Mazda Roadster car and is also known as Mazda MX-5. It is a lightweight two-passenger roadster sports car manufactured and marketed by Mazda with a front mid-engine, rear-wheel drive layout. Widely noted for its small, light, technologically modern, dynamically balanced and minimally complex design, the MX-5 has frequently been called a spiritual successor to 50s and 60s Italian and British roadster sports cars. It is known as Mazda MX-5 Miata in North America. This is a Daihatsu Wake car. It is a K car with sliding doors manufactured by the Japanese automaker Daihatsu. The vehicle was previewed by Decca concept cars that were shown at 2009 and 2013 Tokyo Motor Shows. It went on sale on November 10, 2014. The Wake is also sold by Toyota as the Toyota Pixus Mega. The Wake has an interior cabin height of 1,455 mm, 57.3 in, which is the highest in K car segment. This is a Mercedes AMG GT R car. It is a Grand Tourer produced in coupe and roadster body styles by German automobile manufacturer Mercedes AMG. The car was introduced on September 9, 2014 and was officially unveiled to the public in October 2014 at the Paris Motor Show. It is the second sports car developed entirely in-house by Mercedes AMG. It uses a front mid-engine, rear-wheel drive layout. The car is powered by a 4.0-liter M178 twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This is a Honda CR-V car. It is a compact crossover SUV manufactured by the Japanese automaker Honda since 1995 and introduced in the North American market in 1997. It uses the Civic platform with an SUV body design. The 6th generation CR-V was introduced on July 12, 2022. The North American model is offered in EX, EXL, Sport, and Sport Touring trim levels, which the hybrid powertrain is standard on latter two trims. Unlike previous generations, it is not sold in Japan due to low sales. This is a Toyota Dyna vehicle. It is a light to medium-duty cab over truck for commercial use. In the Japanese market, the Dyna is sold alongside its twin called the Toyos. Dyna is short for dynamic. The Dyna was originally available in Japan only at Toyota diesel store locations, then later available at Toyota store locations. In Japan, its traditional competitors are the Isuzu Elf, the Mitsubishi Fuso Canter and the Nissan Atlas.